guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this cute taco. Starting by drawing this curved shape, and I'm going to join the two sides together with another curve. I'm drawing some semicircles sticking out of the taco shell, and these are going to be tomatoes. I'm adding some kind of wavy lines for the lettuce. And I'm drawing two big circles for the eyes. And in each of these circles I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. Eyelashes, eyebrows, a smile, and the ground. I've got myself a black fine liner and I'm going to outline one of the eyes. So I'm just going to go over all the pencil lines, and then I'm going to use a black Sharpie to colour in the eye, leaving the two circles inside of it white. Pause this video now and go ahead and black line over all the pencil lines that you drew, and then use a rubber to rub out any of the pencil lines that are still left. Using a yellow Sharpie to colour in the taco shell. A red Sharpie to colour in the tomatoes, and a maroon Sharpie to colour the outer kind of skin of the tomatoes. Green to colour in the lettuce, and grey to colour in the floor. I'm starting to add shading now, so I'm using a light orange Sharpie and shading on the left side of the taco shell. And then I'm going to add some ovals of that same colour on the top just to add some texture, and then I'm going to use a maroon colour to shade in the tomatoes and a darker green to shade in the lettuce. Pen, I'm going to add some highlights on the right side. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again soon. Bye!